I think it was good and things like that. But I think more than me, my husband is my best critic and my worst critic. अगर अच्छा है तो अच्छा है करके बोलेंगे, अगर नहीं है तो नहीं है करके बोलेंगे. There are one or two people who are saying, अरे यार gay love story. I said, so what? I mean, उनको भी जीने का हक है. They have every right to live. They have every right to live their life as a normal straight man can.
Well, प्यार शायद हम सभी को हुआ होगा और प्यार में गलतियां भी हम सभी ने की होंगी, तकरार तो हम सबके रिश्तों में हुई होंगी. लेकिन have you ever thought that being in a relationship you end up falling in love with another person, not of a different sex but of a similar sex? What will happen if your partner gets to know कि आप किसी और लड़के या लड़की से प्यार नहीं करते हैं, किसी सिमिलर सेक्स के इंसान से आपको मोहब्बत हो गई है, उनके तरफ फीलिंग्स हो गई. जी हाँ दोस्तों, हम बात कर रहे हैं और बालाजी पे बहुत जल्द रिलीज होने वाले हिट स्टोरी की, जहां पे आपको दो लड़कों की कहानी दिखने वाली है. अ मैरिड मैन हु इज ब्लेस्ड विद अ ब्यूटीफुल गॉर्जियस वाइफ एंड 2 चिल्ड्रन, ही फॉल्स इन लव विद येट अनदर मैन. वो कैसे करेंगे मैनेज अपने इन दोनों कहानियों को, वो तो आने वाला वक्त बताएगा. लेकिन आज हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगी प्रिया मनी, जो कि निभाती हैं एक बहुत ही स्पेशल किरदार साक्षी का, जो कि प्ले कर रही है एक वाइफ का रोल. कैसे करती हैं साक्षी यानी कि प्रिया मनी इस बड़ी प्रॉब्लम को टैकल, और क्यों लिया उन्होंने ये रोल, आज वो हमारे साथ इस चैट सेशन में करेंगी खुलासा. तो आइए चलिए मेरे यानी विशाखा पंडित के साथ बुलाते हैं प्रिया मनी को और जानते हैं उनके किरदार, हिज स्टोरी एंड अ लॉट मोर इनसाइट्स फ्रॉम द सीरीज इटसेल्फ. पहले तो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका टेली चक्कर में. Congratulations for his story. The trailer looks really very promising.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
What do you have to say about, when you were offered such a role, when you were offered such a show, jahan pe, it's not some normal love story. It's like a gay love story, like a love story जो हमारी समाज में आज भी एक taboo है. What was your initial reaction?
मैं तो खुलेआम आई सपोर्ट द LGBTQ कम्युनिटी. तो जब मैंने स्टोरी सुना तो आई सेड यस आई डू इट बिकॉज आई एम अ स्ट्रांग सपोर्टर ऑफ देम. आई थिंक उनको भी जीने का हक है. एंड व्हेन आई वाज टोल्ड द स्टोरी, इन फैक्ट आई थॉट दिस इज नॉट ओनली अ लव स्टोरी बिटवीन देम. आई थिंक ये भी एक स्टोरी है जहाँ पे कुणाल और साक्षी को देखेंगे तो 20 साल उनका एक लव स्टोरी है. 20 साल उन्होंने एक हैप्पी गो लकी फैमिली, आई मीन दे आर अ वेरी हैप्पी गो लकी फैमिली, वेरी सक्सेसफुल फैमिली, 2 बड़े बच्चे भी हैं. और ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एक इंसिडेंट ऐसा हो जाता है जहाँ पे ऑल देयर लाइव्स टर्न. एंड हाउ साक्षी एज अ कैरेक्टर, वो कैसे ये सिचुएशन को हैंडल करती है, क्या, बिकॉज 20 साल से वो एक आदमी से प्यार करती है, वो अपने पति से प्यार करती है, जो who has been with her through ups and downs, who's been with her throughout her life, and all of a sudden मतलब डायनामिक ही चेंज हो जाता है. and she's like क्या हो गया, मतलब 20 साल, मतलब you were married for 20 years, तो क्या साक्षी इसको, मतलब वो कैसे हैंडल कर पाती है, वो क्या ये सिचुएशन को हैंडल करती है, how she's able to come out of it and how she's able to handle the whole take care of her family, how she's able to manage Kunal एक साइड में, फैमिली एक साइड में, अपने करियर एक साइड में. तो इतना सब कुछ हो रहा है साक्षी के लाइफ में. तो जब मैंने ये स्टोरी सुना तो आई सेड अरे यार, दिस इज समथिंग आई नीड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ, बिकॉज अच्छा है. एंड इट इज नॉट ओनली, एज आई सेड, इट्स नॉट ओनली अ स्टोरी अबाउट कुणाल एंड Kunal's love story or whatever, but it is a story of Sakshi also through her eyes, कि how they perceive her, because it is very easy. I mean, society में आज भी अगर एक पत्नी पति पे मतलब उसके ऊपर चीट करती है तो it's very easy to say that it is the wife who's at fault, it is the girl who's at fault. But अगर जब पति चीट करता है पत्नी के ऊपर एक लड़की के साथ, तो दिल से अच्छे यार हो गया है, ये है वो है, मतलब मर्द है, हो गया है. But when the dynamic itself जब वो change हो जाता है तो people don't have anything to say. तो I think it was, और they थोड़ा टाइम लगता है उनको उसके बारे में बात करने के लिए. तो I think it was a pretty interesting topic to touch upon. And जो आज भी मतलब you can see it everywhere, LGBTQ community जो हो या transgender community हो, whatever it is, I think they will really, I think it probably his story is a story which will जब लोग देखेंगे, their minds will broaden and they'll be like, अरे यार, okay, जब देखेंगे they'll be like, what, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ऐसा हुआ होगा, or they would have come across somebody who has changed their preferences in the recent times. So हो सकता है, but it is definitely a story which will आपके दिल को छुएगा फॉर श्योर।
Well, I would say that कितनी बारी बोला जाता है कि वुमेन सेंट्रिक रोज बनते हैं, वुमेन सेंट्रिक शोज बनते हैं, सीरीज बनती हैं, लेकिन ये पहला है जो वुमेन सेंट्रिक है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली एक लेडी का तात्पर्य भी दिखाएंगे, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा आई वुड से इट्स लाइक अ 60-40 का रेशियो, लाइक आदमी का तात्पर्य ज्यादा एंड देन द वुमेन का तात्पर्य। सो इट इज लाइक अ
50-50, इट इज एक्चुअली लाइक अ 50-50 रेशियो, जहाँ पे वुमेन्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी दिखा रहे हैं, मेल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी दिखा रहे हैं, तो इट इज लाइक हाउ बोथ ऑफ देम हैंडल देयर ओन सिचुएशन। बिकॉज अगर आप कुणाल के साइड को भी देखोगे तो एक साइड में हाँ कुणाल प्रीत से प्यार करता है, कुणाल बोलता है कि मैं प्रीत से प्यार करता हूँ, बट ऑन द अदर हैंड ही सेज साक्षी तुम और बच्चे भी मेरे हो, आई रियली लव ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल्सो। तो कुणाल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी बहुत मतलब देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अप्स एंड डाउन इन कुणाल्स लाइफ ऑल्सो। साक्षी के लाइफ में भी देखोगे तो इट्स लाइक 20 साल एक आदमी से उसने प्यार किया है, एक ही आदमी से प्यार किया है, एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन उसको प्यार हो जाता है किसी और आदमी से। तो वो कैसे, हाउ डज शी टेक इट, हाउ डज शी हैंडल द होल थिंग? बिकॉज सडनली अगर एक औरत, if he had cheated on her with a woman, maybe matters would have been different, but he fell in love with a man. तो ये कैसे हैंडल करती है ये? It is all about how Sakshi as a woman, वो कैसे ये सिचुएशन को हैंडल करती है, how is she able to take it? Because 20 साल से उसने एक ही आदमी से प्यार किया है, एक हैप्पी गो लकी फैमिली है, सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस वुमन है, वो भी बिजनेस के पार्ट है, वो भी बिजनेस हैंडल करता है, हेल्प करता है। तो 20 साल उनका एक जर्नी ऐसा है, एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन देयर होल डायनामिक्स चेंज। तो साक्षी कैसे हैंडल कर पाती है? तो जब मैंने ये सुना आई सेड यार दिस इज गोना बी समथिंग ग्रेट, एंड आई थिंक इट्स फैंटास्टिक ऑफ ऑल्ट बालाजी टू कम अप विद एन अल्टरनेटिव स्टोरी लाइक दिस, जो अभी ऐसे स्टोरीज प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं। बिकॉज जो भी उनके कंटेंट थे अभी ऐसे नहीं है, दे आर कमिंग अप विद मोर मीनिंगफुल स्टोरीज, मोर मीनिंगफुल कंटेंट, तो लोग देख पाते हैं। आई मीन दे आर एबल टू सी इट एंड दे आर एबल टू एक्चुअली से अरे वाह ऐसे भी स्टोरीज ऑल्ट बालाजी लेके आ रहे हैं। तो अच्छी बात है कि दे कमिंग अप विद सच अ वंडरफुल स्टोरी लाइक हिज स्टोरी, एंड जब रिलीज होगा सबको पता चलेगा कि व्हाट हिज स्टोरी इज ऑल अबाउट।
But then what was the fan का response? ऐसा हुआ कि ये ट्रेलर के बाद काफी लेडीज ने या फिर किसी मे बी बाइसेक्सुअल मैन ने या फिर किसी ऐसे शख्स ने, किसी फैन ने जिन्होंने ये फेस किया है या जो ऐसे सिचुएशन को गो थ्रू कर रहे हैं, दे रीच आउट टू यू? बिकॉज़ ये अक्सर होता है that they see and they relate to it. Did it happen for you?
Unfortunately मुझे तो ऐसा कुछ not from any bisexuals or I like to keep the genders aside, but obviously जिसने भी देखा है with all my friends and family, bias नहीं है, but I'm gonna say that some of them obviously they have said good things, that finally हमारे बारे में भी stories ऐसे आ रहे हैं and things like that. I know a few people who are gay and who are really very, I mean I personally like them, and उन्होंने बोला है, I know a lot of transgender community people also who have seen the trailer, and they have loved the trailer. They have as I said, I know some gay men who have seen the trailer. They have messaged me and they have said finally the story is coming out like this. Thank you so much for being a part of such a wonderful story. Community, हमारे community के लिए आप के बारे में आप एक मूवी, I mean आप एक सीरीज बना रहे हैं, you're a part of it. That itself is a big thing for us. Thank you so much. तो obviously positive responses आ रहे हैं. हाँ, there are one or two people who are saying अरे यार gay love story. I said so what? I mean उनको भी जीने का हक है. They have every right to live. They have every right to live their life as a normal straight man can. And अभी तो मतलब obviously now the Supreme Court has also passed the verdict, judgment pass किया हुआ है. तो what is your problem? I mean they are just living their life. तो उसमें problem क्या है?
But then do you think by this story, by being a part of the story, or maybe by his story coming out, कहीं ना कहीं हम लोगों का mindset बदलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, and we will be successful? Definitely. Do you think that way around?
Definitely. I think if not trying to change, I think slowly it is changing. I think slowly society is also accepting such people. And through his story, I'm hoping that, everybody's mind changes and they accept people like this, because I think everybody has a right to live. Everybody has a right to choose who they want to live with. Because pyar, love is one thing which has no language. Love is one thing which has no barriers. And love can happen at any time, at any place, with anybody. It can be with a man, it can be with a woman, it can be with anybody. Love is love. So at the end of the day, we're trying to say that, you can fall in love with anybody you want. And because love itna ek strong emotion hai, ki, I just hope that at the end of the day, once his story comes out, people's mind will change, and I hope it opens their mind more.
Okay, tell me one thing very honestly here. Has it ever happened with you that somebody from the similar sex, a girl has offered you out or maybe asked you out, has hit on you?
Lots of times.
And what is your reaction?
I just laughed it off. I said, thank you so much for the offer, but I'm very straight. I like men. I still do like men. But I'm not saying it's wrong that, you get asked out by ladies. I did get, I think, मेरे very first, I think पहले 2 films के बाद, I got messages on my social media and things like that saying, I'd like to take you out on a date and things like that. So मैंने सोचा, I thought it was a man or whatever, but then they said, no, I'm a girl, I'd like to take you out on a date and blah, blah, blah. I said, thank you so much for the offer. I'm really touched, but I'm sorry, I backed the other way. I mean, I like men. And I didn't mean to offend them at that point of time, but yeah, I have been asked out. And I'm not, I take it in a good way. I mean, I'm happy that if they still think that I'm desirable and I can get asked out, why not?
I agree. Okay, tell me one thing very honestly, because ये topic बहुत ही ज़्यादा meaty है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा sensitive है. तो set पे माहौल कैसा था? Like, वो on and off के बीच में, वो cut and वापस shot के बीच का जो माहौल था, वो कैसा था वहाँ पे?
बहुत अच्छा था. I think we were all very. I think जब director ने cut बोला, all of us we were ourselves. We were laughing. We were creating like cracking jokes. जो भी experiences थे, हम लोग उसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे. And previous set में या whatever. So I think only जब वो emotion scenes था, जब रोना धोना था, I think उस time पे थोड़ा serious था. But apart from that, we all had our good times. I mean, हम लोग साथ में खाते थे. That is me, मेरे the girls who played my friends, Charu and Pariniti, who play Rafia and Lovely. The 3 of us, we used to have lunch together. हम लोग food के बारे में बात करते थे time to time. We used to just talk nonsense on the set. So अच्छा था. We had a lot of fun. Then अच्छा था. I mean, we never, there was no ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं था कि मतलब oh my god इतना serious. Yes, जब serious scene चल रहा था, एक emotional scene चल रहा था, obviously because ये sync sound था तो the entire set had to be very silent. But apart from that, I think yeah, it was normal. I think because I'm a very switch on switch off actor, so मैं इतना method में नहीं जाती हूँ कि अगर कोई emotional scene हो that I won't talk to anybody or yeah, it has to be serious. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I'm just a switch on switch off. I'm very instinctive in that way. So
are you a big critic of your own work?
I am, yes. I do watch when I see my work. I'm like, अरे ये scene और अच्छा करना चाहिए था, or yeah, I could, I think it was good and things like that. But I think more than me, my husband is my best critic and my worst critic. अगर अच्छा है तो अच्छा है करके बोलेंगे, अगर नहीं है तो नहीं है करके बोलेंगे, because he calls a spade a spade. He knows if it is nice, he says it's really nice. If he says if it's not nice, he'll say, "Arey yaar, you could have done it better, or this could have, the scene could have turned out better, or you could have done it in a better way," kind of a thing.
What was his response to this one? What was his response to his story?
He liked the trailer. He loved it. He said it's shot really well. He says he told me that I look good. So that's the biggest compliment that I could ever get from him. And abhi jab I just went a bit for the dubbing. He saw a bit of work there and he said, "Bahut acha hai. I think it's coming out really well." And yeah, so he's liked it so far.
But what has been your favorite scene from the series जो हम देखेंगे and maybe you know that we'll fall in love? What is that one scene that you think?
My favorite scene is a scene between me and Rafia. I don't know what episode it is. मैं भूल गई हूँ what episode it is, but it's where I cry to her and I tell her about. I confess to her that Kunal is in love with Preet. So वो एक scene है where, and I must say that this is one scene where ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा the scenes I've done it without glycerine and things like that. But this is one scene when I kept reading it. It really touched my heart and I just cried. I said, हम लोग ज़्यादा rehearsal भी नहीं किया इस scene के लिए. It was all on the spot. We just marked the spots where I'm going to be. हमने just light markings किया था and we just went to it because उसने भी बोला था, the Charu who plays Rafia, she also said, sir, let's just go for it. Let's not rehearse too much on the scene. So my waterworks just started. The whole day I was crying the whole day. Glycerine भी use नहीं किया था. It was all real tears. So that is the best. I think for me that was the one scene that really. I just gave it my. I gave all scenes my best, but I would say that that's one of my favorite scenes.
Now I'm quite intrigued to see that scene because the way you have described it, I really want to see that. Which scene is she talking about? Okay, the last thing here is that you just said that for this role, when you were briefed about it, when you read the whole script, you were like, okay, I want to do this one. Has it ever happened कि कोई ऐसा role है जो आप बहुत शिद्दत से करना चाहती है, लेकिन unfortunately things have not materialized for that one? Has it ever happened?
Lots, especially in the South. I really badly wanted to be part of so many projects, but whatever be the reason, नहीं हो पाया. So I really felt bad about it at that point of time. But बोलते हैं ना, जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
Perfect. What do you want to tell the fans in the end? Because I'm sure कि जब वो लोग his story देखेंगे, वो या तो relate करेंगे, या तो प्यार करेंगे, या तो शायद अगले season का expectation रखेंगे. What do you want to tell them?
Definitely अगले season का expect करेंगे ही करेंगे for sure, because obviously we've ended it in such a way that people will expect a season 2 and we also expecting a season 2. But I would just like to say this, that बहुत मेहनत से किया है हमने his story with a lot of love and a lot of passion. We've done passion as in work-wise. We've done season 2 and we've done his story. So when it comes out on 25th April, please do watch it on Alt Balaji and Z5 and I'm sure you'll love it for sure. Because it's a different story and ऐसे एक story obviously जब ऐसे when we started this interview I said मैंने कभी किया ही नहीं. It's something new for me and we've done it with a lot of hard work. We've put in a lot of hard work for it. Day and night हमने shoot किया है. So I hope you'll enjoy our Fruit of Love and do wait for his story when it comes out on 25th April.
I am eagerly. Thank you so much for joining us and have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, thank you so much guys for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहां आज मेरी मेहमान थी प्रिया मनी जो कि निभा रही हैं साक्षी का किरदार His Story में, जो कि एयर होगा Alt Balaji and Z5 पे. Well, आप लोग ये सीरीज देखना ना भूलेगा because वाकई में this is rightly said कि प्यार की कोई खास जुबान नहीं होती, कोई एक पर्टिकुलर जुबान या तरीका नहीं होता. So आप लोग देखना ना भूलेगा His Story and also नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में ये बताना ना भूलेगा कि आज का ये चैट सेशन आप लोगों को कैसा लगा. Until then, stay tuned.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.